Today we delve into the timeless theme of still life. Focusing on an internal scene viewed through a window. This composition captures a simple yet elegant vase of roses, bathed in the warm hues of sunlight streaming through the window. The palette of warm yellows and brown evokes a sense of coziness and introspection. Throughout art history, many artists have explored the interplay of indoor and outdoor scenes, using windows as a bridge between the two worlds. One notable example is Henri Matisse, who often depicted interiors with views through windows. Such as his work The Open Window. Matisse's vibrant colors and expressive brush strokes highlight the intimate indoor space and expansive exterior. In my painting, the sunlight falling on the wall outside creates a harmonious balance with the interior. This technique of using natural light to enhance the composition has been employed by many artists. In this painting, the roses in the vase serve as a focal point. Red roses have long been symbols of love and passion, adding a layer of meaning to this composition. Danish painter Wilhelm Hammershøi frequently used muted tones and soft light to create serene, introspective scenes, as in Interior with young woman seen from the back. Windows in art not only provide a view of the outside world, but also symbolize the threshold between the inner self and the external world. The duality can be seen in the works of Pierre Bonnard, whose paintings often feature interior scenes with glimpses of the outside. The open window, Bonnard's use of color and light, creates a seamless transition between the inside and the outside, inviting the viewer to explore both realms. The use of warm yellows and browns in my palette enhances a sense of warmth and tranquility. These colors were favored by many artists to evoke a comforting and inviting atmosphere. Vincent van Gogh, for instance, used warm colors extensively, such as sunflowers, the simplicity of the vase and arrangement allows the viewer to appreciate the delicacy of the petals. The vase of roses becomes a conduit for deeper reflection, bridging the gap between the personal and the universal.